Hi, everybody. This is Matt Yakovic, the Haas, head of open source strategy here at Percona, with another On the Road to Percona Live. Today, I'm here with Yahav Biran from AWS. How are you doing today?
Hello, nice to be here.
This is part of our series where we're just doing these quick hits to learn about the talks that are coming up. And Yohav is going to be speaking about avoiding Postgres lightweight buffer content locks in Postgres and Amazon Aurora. So, can you tell us a little bit about what's going to be talked about in this talk, Yahav?
Yes. So, like I said, thank you for having me. So, the reason that we chose to present this topic in Percona is that we have seen customer overcoming rapid data growth challenges during 2020 and 2021. The reason that it's for this particular year is just because that I was there to work, but we started to see a common issues around the content buffer content bottlenecks, and so we thought that we are going to share our learning, includes of simulations and some data, and hopefully get some of the words out so people can go and adopt the architectural patterns to avoid the potential buffer content lock in their database.
And so with this kind of problem, what you're seeing is as the workload grows, as it gets bigger, the design patterns that people have chosen in their schema or in their architecture tend to cause these blocks to manifest and cause slowdowns. Is that correct?
Exactly. So basically, the more specifics are that we've seen customers are that have some sort of a time series transactional patterns, right? They are ramping up in their busy hours and then they're trending down when they when the busy hours are over. We have seen these episodes happening throughout the cycle, right? So what we want to do is basically we want to talk about the pathology of the issue, and then look at and provide ways for the customers, for the Postgres admin to go and adapt patterns that are within their schema as well as their application to alleviate or avoid the locks.
Yes, and I saw that you wrote a blog on this topic. So if people are interested in getting a little bit more detail ahead of time, and this applies not only to RDS and Aurora, this also applies to any Postgres implementation, which means that if you are experiencing rapid growth and this is a potential bottleneck, this is going to be a valuable resource for you to get ideas on how others have solved this particular problem.
Absolutely. The reason that we started with Aurora is because that Aurora is a platform that allows you to run hundreds of terabytes in your data set, right? So theoretically, if your database that runs anywhere in any other platform can hold this much of data, that solution that we're discussing will definitely help you.
Excellent. Well, we hope that you'll join us at Percona Live, May 16th through the 18th in Austin. You can check out Yahav's talk while you're there, as well as other talks from all kinds of people across the Postgres landscape, across the open source database landscape. We've got a little bit of everybody or everything for everyone. Yahav, we appreciate you stopping by and chatting with us today, and we'll see you all at Percona Live.
Thank you. See you then.